Let's make tomato basil pasta using fresh basil from a friend's garden. First, chop up one onion and place into your roasting pan. Now add 6 or 7 garlic cloves. Now add a little olive oil seasoned with a little salt and pepper and place into the oven at 450 degrees for 20 minutes. Salt your water, add a little olive oil, then bring to a boil and cook your pasta for about 10 minutes. Chop up your fresh basil as best as you can, then set to the side. Remove your onions and garlic from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes. Then place that into your blender with the oil. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1 small can of diced tomatoes. Now add half of the chopped fresh basil. Blend until smooth and add about a half a cup of heavy cream. Remove your noodles from the pot and place into a large bowl. Add your tomato sauce to the bowl. Season with about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes and add the other half of the fresh basil. Salt and pepper to taste and serve. I plated mine with some fresh Parmesan cheese and breaded chicken. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.